day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Charles, sales manager of K Hair Factory, and today you can see we are having a lot of hair colors. Must be the most colorful order that you have ever seen. So this order is the 10 kg order, and it will be shipped to US. So let's check all the colorful hair types that maybe interest you. Okay, so the first one I would like to introduce is the pink color. You can take a look at this one. Because we are selling 100% Vietnamese hair, real human hair, so you can see it's very smooth and silky. Shiny too. Nice, right? So next one that I would like to show you is our red wine hair. Ombre red wine. Super silky, smooth, colorful. Nice, right? And please take a look at this ombre blonde hair ombre, smooth, silky. And I think these hair are going to be the most trendy hairstyle in Nigeria or in other hair markets such as US and UK. Okay, so let's just move on to all the other curly hair. I would like to show you our bouncy hair. This one is also a type of bouncy, but with the brown color. Bouncy brown color. And also this pixie with the piano. Pixie hair with the piano. See, extremely fluffy. Extremely fluffy. And please also take a look at this one. It's also a type of pixie of us with the ombre color. And I think that I would like to show you one more color that I think is going to be the trend of all the hairstyles in the world. Please check this out. This one is the light pink and also the dark pink color ombre hair. And of course, we are selling the most reasonable prices in Vietnam with the best quality. So please, if you want to get the highest quality hair at the most reasonable prices, please contact K Hair. Thank you.